So guys, today we are going to make a drawing of Frozen using pencil color, so let's start. First we will sketch it with a pencil. So guys, I want Frozen's big winged eyeliner. Also tell us who is your favorite cartoon character, must tell in the comments section.
Wasted, friends all around, faded, like we've got nothing to lose. Strangers in my sheets, wake up, rewind and repeat, but I'm still caught up on you. Nothing really mattered when we had it all. Happy ever after was an afterthought, and I've got to know.
So our sketch is complete. We will now highlight it with a black pointer.
When we were together on the 4th of July, underneath the fireworks sky, and I said everything is perfect cause you're holding me. You and I together like we're supposed to be, cause you need me and I need you. But that's just my point of view. That's just my point of view. Yeah. Pictures on my phone remind me that I'm on my own, and I don't know what to do. Thoughts are useless, trying to make it through this. I'm still caught up on you. Nothing really mattered when we had it all. Happy ever after was an afterthought, and I've got to know. Baby, do you ever think of when we were together on the 4th of July, underneath the fireworks sky, and I said everything is perfect cause you're holding me. You and I together like we're supposed to be, cause you need me and I need you. But that's just my point of view. That's just my point of view. Yeah.
With this, we will apply the liner and fill the inside of the eye.
When you're holding me, 'cause you need me and I need you. That's just my point of view. Messing with my head again. You had your heart set on me.
Sky blue color will be done in his eyes, and the same will be done in the dress.
Tell me what it is about you that I can't forget. But you're breaking down my walls again, just to set me free. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling?
Guys, now I will use red color to make her lips attractive. I will color the eyebrows dark brown. I will apply pink and dark blue eyeshadow on her eyes to make it more stylish.
Staying up when I go out, you gotta know I'm all yours. But when I say what's that about, you start slurring your words. Tell me why you have to seem so distant when I'm holding you. Your fingertips are drifting away, and I fucking love how it hurts. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I? Why do I, baby, why do I? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling?
But guys, it still looks a bit incomplete. Yes, I make thick eyelashes with black pointer. See how good our Frozen looks now. So guys, I want to make Frozen's hair golden. Therefore, first of all, we will dye his hair yellow and then we will make it brown.
Am I the only one dreaming in color all night? 'Cause everybody else is sleeping in old black and white. And gravity can't stop me from flying. I'm reaching, I'm climbing. The heavens aren't that far away. 'Cause I've got the future set in my mind. Said I can see the future, and it's all mine, all mine. I the only one moving towards the finish line? Don't even care if I'ma lose it, I just want to feel alive. And gravity can't stop me from flying. I'm reaching, I'm climbing. The heavens aren't that far away. 'Cause I've got the future set in my mind. Say I can see the future, and it's all mine. All mine.
Now I will apply skin color on her face and neck. Finally, red color for our Frozen's final look will apply as blush. I use blending stump to blend the red color. At the end, I will make some beads on her dress with the sky blue marker. So guys, our Frozen drawing is complete. Hope you liked it. If you did, please subscribe to our channel, like and share. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.